Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be restringing a recent pickup of mine. It's a partner Colibri weed whacker or weed eater, and I'm going to show you now, and then we're going to restring it. I picked it up for free, and I already started it just to test it out, and it works, runs great. Needs a bit of a carb tune probably, but we'll see. So this is the machine. It's a very lightweight little thing. It doesn't weigh more than a couple of pounds, a few pounds, 3-4 pounds maybe. 25 cc's, and we're going to be restringing the head that's under there. This is a very simple machine. All you do is you take a good hold of the head and of the spool, and you pull it out. Now on here it tells you everything. It says here 0.065 line, but equates to about 1.65 millimeters, which I have right here, 1.65 millimeters, and it tells you where to stop, and it tells you which wind or the winding direction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a knot like that. I'm going to spool it on, and well, it's actually, it could be used, but I'm just going to take off all this old string, remove that, take some of this new. I've read online that it takes about 4 to 5 meters. Well, actually more probably like 3.5, 4 meters. I'm gonna make a, well, I'm gonna try. Oh, sorry, I'm still getting used to this whole camera thing. I'm just gonna put it in the, I'm going to try to put it in here. Anyways, I'm just going to wind it on. Hold it there and put a couple of windings on it. Alright, so now we have a nice full spool of thread. It stopped where it says to stop. I've inserted it, and what you do now, you just take the spool, make sure there's a hole in the head or in the trimmer head. So what you have to do is just carefully thread the string through that hole, put the spool back on, make sure that you get everything lined up, press it inside, make sure that it's out of the, like that. Every time you press that in, you can feel that you get a little bit less or a little bit more string outside. What I do now is I just cut it to length. The trimmer will do that for you, but I'm going to do it anyways. So we have the correct length, and that's it. Now I'm going to start it up. I'm just going to cut a few small little weeds that I got here, and I'm going to show you how it runs, and that'll be it. As you can hear, the machine is running. You can see the 2-stroke oil, and I'm just going to flip the screen on the camera here. You can hear that it's a little bit on the hesitant side. It has a limiter cap, so I'm going to have to remove that. Alright, I'm going to flip the camera up a little bit, and I'm going to do, well, the thing that weighs maybe 4 pounds, 5 pounds maybe, a couple of kilograms, I need to adjust the carburetor, which has a limiter cap. So I might have to remove the limiter cap, but I'm going to have to just fine tune it a little bit. But it runs pretty good. Now it has good string and it's a bump head. So yeah, for a free pickup now I can sell it, flip it. So that's nice. I just want to thank you guys for tuning into my channel. I love posting videos regularly again. Takes a bit of time to make the videos because of my back, but I'm getting treatment for that now. And things are starting to come around and looking on the brighter side. Still hurts like hell, but it's getting there. If you'd like, there's some links down in the video description to where you can buy both the spool of the trimmer, because you can buy spools or ready-made just to swap out, or you can buy string. I'll have links to both string and the spool down in the video description. If you click those links, take you right to them. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next Friday. Bye.